What's up, my people? Your boy Bo coming to you with another recipe. So come on, check it out. Come on. All right, so here's what you're gonna need. A pint of fresh washed ripe strawberries with the stems taken off, 2 cups of white sugar, 4 family-sized tea bags, Louisiana. Can't get no more salt than that. You're gonna need a mesh strainer and a pitcher and a food processor. So to that boiling water, you wanna go ahead and add 2 cups of sugar. Go ahead and kill your heat, take it off the burner, stir to dissolve till you see no more granules. Then you'll take your tea bags and you'll drop them down into your hot sugar water. You're gonna let that steep for about 13 minutes. While you're waiting on that, you take those strawberries and put them in your food processor. And basically you're gonna blend those until it's pureed and no more chunks are in there. Right after, you'll take that mixture and you'll pour it into your mesh strainer. And you'll take a spoon or spatula and basically just push all that down through, and this will be the end result. 13 minutes later, take those tea bags out, set them to the side. And then you'll take your tea, pour it into your pitcher. Once that's added, you'll take your strawberry mixture and you're gonna pour that on in. Give it a mix, and then you'll top it off with cold water. Mix it up again. Smells really good also. Get you a nice cold glass with some ice. Give it a fill. Just like that, yeah. So you know I gotta give it a taste. Here it is. Cheers. Appreciate y'all as usual. Until next time, y'all be good, yeah? Yeah.